Hi everybody, here's my little flower, and what I'm going to show you with this guy is what if you don't have paint but you do have markers. I chose to make him bright yellow, so I have yellow, and then I'm going to do an orange center because I just don't want it too dark. And I went and found a skinny marker. I know this isn't skinny, but the tip is skinny, so it's nice to have thick and thin. So you can just actually color on Model Magic and it'll dry. So I just went in here and I colored the petals, which is not hard at all, except when you get to the little spots, and I'll show you what I mean. This marker feels like it's drying up. Well, I'll need new ones, won't I? Alright, so I'm just using different sides of the marker to get the color on. And then I want to show you about the skinny. Why do I need the skinny one? Alright. Always put your lids on tight, otherwise they dry up. So I get the skinny point. So what I can do with this is I can get into the spaces. I can get really close to my little face. That's how I got in between all, like I went in all here. I can get up close, get in there, and then just use the thick one for the big parts. And now just let this dry to the touch, and then you can flip it over and color the other side. What about the orange? How are we going to get that in there?